Hello everyone, Kori here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be making another coffee drink for coffee lovers out there. It's just easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So guys, this drink is called Kori Kohi, which was popularized by UCC and it originated in Japan. So Kori Kohi means iced coffee. Since you are still on a lockdown, I thought of making a home version of this drink. So kung gikapoy na mo og whisk sa Dalgona Coffee guys, then this drink is for you. So for the iced coffee, I did not use an ice cube tray because I want my iced coffee to be in circular shape. So nagpalahi ko, pero tanawa, murahin no og chorizo. Ang kurma. So guys, suggest lang ko nga gamit lang mo og ice cube tray.